It is Saturday, the 15th day of February 2025, about 11:25 in the morning. And you see this right here, Brazos Bend State Park in Texas. We stayed the night here. I didn't have time to make any video, honestly, of the park. We got to do very little because of the weather and time factors and everything else. I'm just showing you these trees here. See, we're parked right there. This is the park road. I'm going to do a review of my site. We camped here. We just got here yesterday. We're leaving today because we can only get the spot for one day, and then we're going on to another place. But this is the start of a big adventure, so you need to stay tuned with me and tell me what you think about this video. I'll see you on the next one. It is still Saturday. It's about 18 minutes till noon now. We just finally got in here. But you can see this is our spot here, obviously, that we've had. You see how far this comes out, right into the road where I'm standing. And then down that way, there's a dumpster down there, so you know that. You see the truck and the trailer. I still got fully hooked up here. I've never unhooked because we was only here for one day. You see I got the car way back here. So we've got all this space here. And see there's a little tiny one over there across the road, and there's a guy coming at us. Anyway, this site is electric and water. Oh, and you get that picnic table, you see, and the lantern hanging deal, and the little grill there. There is a fire ring. Here, show you. I'm hooked up. I never unhooked, because like I said, we was only here for one night because we couldn't get it for anymore. There's a couple of crows right over there in the grass looking around. But that would be our fire pit if we had a fire, but we didn't, and those things there. So you have all this space to hang out. That one belongs to that space over there. But here, let me show you this. It's the bag of the camper there. There's the car and the truck, and you can see you back up to these things. So I could have come back further if I wanted to, but I didn't. Right over here, like I said, this is electrical water. It's 30 amp and 50 amp. We're obviously using the 30 amp. So since that's what we are, you see we're at spot 129 is where we're at here, and then just got water. You see, just plugs in right there. And again, that right there will tell you that's our spot. And you see, that's that. So here's just the other side. What can I tell you about this place? No internet, of course. Believe it or not, I got over 100 channels. I think 103 channels on the TV. So if you want TV here, you can get it big time as far as antenna. Peaceful, quiet, dark. I mean, we both slept. In fact, our grandbaby was here with us, actually. She spent the night with us. And we all slept literally like babies. I mean, it was so dark, so quiet. I haven't slept this good, I don't know, probably years, literally. I'm not kidding you. So, I mean, when it's dark, I mean, I'm talking pitch black dark. And again, quiet. I'm talking libraries are noisy compared to what it was here. But it's a good park. We've been here before. We've never stayed here. This is our first time ever, in fact, of staying in any state park in the state of Texas. As far as in a camper, we have camped at them in tents years ago, but not here. But anyway, in a camper, this is the first time we've ever done that. But like I told you, there's a dumpster right down there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it is right down there. And all along here, there's several dumpsters in this loop. There's two loops here. This is the 100 loop. There's another one that's 200. You know, so all the numbers are 100 something, 200 something. Other than that, I mean, it's a really nice park. There's a lot of trails here. Peaceful, quiet again. You know, not sure what else to tell you. It's you know, we've got our Texas State Park Pass, so we get in for free that way. The camping, I think we're paying, I don't know, it was either $15 or $20 is all it was for this spot. And so we're going to another one. I won't tell you what that is yet, but I will be doing a review of that one as well. So stick around with us, because we've got a whole adventure planned here for quite some time down the road. But stick around and enjoy what's coming up, and enjoy these trees. I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourself. Bye now.